Alright, now before I begin this video, here is a fantastic news for all the Wallverse wallpaper application users. We have delivered the biggest update so far. We have completely revamped the UI with glass effects on the tab. The profile page has been completely revamped. And if you go to the collections, you will see the brand new layout here with the capsule designs on top and all these collections clearly visible. And the best thing, the depth effect wallpaper is coming on Wallverse. We have done a trial run. We are still working on it. You will get one more update to get this feature working. For now, if you want to take a glimpse of it, you can go to the premium section. Here, there are a couple of wallpapers which we are working on. All the depth effect wallpapers will have these icons. You can tap on that. And here you can see we have the clock behind the subject. And this is the first time ever on an application the depth effect clock is in liquid glass design. And if you don't want liquid glass, you can also change it. We have got so many customization options. I will discuss about this in a different video. For now, we are testing this feature. We will be adding more depth effect wallpapers very soon. So stay tuned and please do give it a 5-star on Play Store. That motivates us to keep coming up with a lot of wallpapers for you guys and more new features for you guys. Now let's dive right into the video. We have got a brand new update pushed out by Samsung for Samsung Find application, and this is a very important update. As you can see, the all new Samsung Find version is 2.0.00.20 and this update was pushed on 7th July. The size is just about 92.15 MB, and this update is very important because Samsung has added some critical features here. You can see in the changelog it says changed contact permissions to selective access. Probably what this means is you don't have to give permission for all the contacts. You can select the contacts you want the Samsung Find to access. And then we have got added location departure notifications. This sounds interesting, and introduce the Find widget. So these are interesting. Let's go ahead and update the application and let's see if we find any of these features inside the app. It's getting installed. Now let's open the application. Now the first real feature which has been now added is the all new Samsung Find widget. Let me press and hold on the home screen, tap on widgets. Let's scroll down. Let's see if we have Find here. Yep, we have got Samsung Find right over here. Let me tap on this. It says one widget is added. We do have two widgets. In fact, I think it's the same one single widget which can be expanded. Let me add this on the home screen and let's press and hold on this. Try to expand it. No, we can't expand this. We can either add this widget or we will be able to add the larger widget here. Let me just open Find again and let's add this particular widget here. This is how it looks. It actually looks pretty good. This is on 1UI9 beta, so probably I'm not able to expand this for some reason, but on the stable version, this widget may work properly. Now here it says get started, choose whose location to view, tap on this. Here it says no one has shared their location with you yet. If you have anybody sharing the location, you will see those contacts right over here. And for that, we have got a brand new widget. I wish Samsung had added more widgets with respect to the Samsung Find application. There are many more features which Samsung Find offers. We can have different widgets for those, but for now, it's a good start. We do have a brand new widget for Find application, which look pretty cool. Let's see if we have customization options. Let me tap on settings. Nope, we don't have any customization for this widget. We can directly go to select people option. If there's anybody sharing the location, it will show up right over here. That's the first one. Now the second point says added location departure notifications. Now I don't see a specific option or settings for this specific feature. Now this could mean two things. One is if at all you leave a device behind, then your phone will notify that you have left your watch behind or your tablet or maybe your buds, whatever you're using. When you leave it behind and go far away, then the phone might alert you that there is the device which is left behind. What this could also mean is if somebody is sharing their location with you, whenever they arrive at a specific location or whenever they depart from that specific location, the phone is going to alert you. It could be these two things, but I don't see a specific setting for this. Now, these two are the new features, and of course, the contact permission to selective access has been changed, and the widget actually look beautiful, and I wish Samsung adds more widgets. Now, this is the update for Samsung Find application. Let me know what you think. This is a very critical application because this app enables you to find the location of your connected devices, share location with your loved ones, and track your loved ones on the phone. It's a very powerful application which you guys must know. That's about it. Hope you have already checked out the all new Wallverse application with some new features and the new layout and UI. Make sure to give it a 5-star on Play Store, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.